The NHS could deliver blood samples and medical kits by drones. The health department is gearing up for the first trial using the drones to carry packages between hospitals and hospital labs. The drones would help to save money caused by endless traffic jams and long journeys. Developing countries like Ghana and Rwanda are already using drones to deliver blood and medical aid. However, planners think that introducing drones in urban areas would be more challenging than rural areas due to many reasons such as privacy, security, etc. Despite those concerns, people have started realizing that drones are being used for public benefits. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steam Daily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.